students, welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed about importance of public sector and change in the public sector. Last class we discussed. What we are going to discuss is importance of the public sector. What are the importance of public sector? Means it is proper infrastructure, regional balance, economic scale, and check the concentration of the economic power. And next it is government policies towards the public sector since 1991. We discussed 4 plus point and this is. And on that, these are all points. Okay? Government policies towards public sector since 1991. What are the policies? What are the government policies towards the public sectors? We will see. This is the policies we will see now. Okay? Reduction in the number of industries. Reduction in the number of industries for public sectors from 70 to 8 and then to it is 3. Here it is reduction. Here it is reduction in the number of industries. Industries for public sector. Here it is. Earlier the public sector means the earlier 70 sector reserved for the public sector. Earlier means in 1990s they will reserve 70 sectors. After that the government will give the privatization. Means they will give the permission for the privatization. In 1991 they will give the permission for the privatization. After that the 17 public sectors will reduce to the 8 public sectors. In 1990s to the within the 2000 means in 17 to 8 public sectors will be transferred to the public sector to the private sector. Okay, which is ownership. The ownership will transfer to the public sector to the private sector. Means it is reducing the reservation which is to be reducing to the 17 to the 8. 17 to the 8 means how much it is? 17 to the 8 means the 9. Remaining it is 9 is there. It is the 9 should be reserved in 2000. In the year of 2000, only 9 public sectors only reserved. The government will take undertaking. The government under only 9 enterprises is there. Okay, and all 8. Okay, in all 8 others should be in the private sectors only. The 9 sectors will be a public sector. The 8 should be a private sector. Means their ownership transferred to the one. The ownership transferred to the public sector to the private sector. Okay, that should be transferred to the in 2000. We will get 17 to the 8. After 2000 now present is only 3. Only 3 the government will run public sector. What are the 3 means? Here it is deficiency. Who will run this? The government. The government under working deficiency. Railway department and autonomic energy. See, I will write here. Okay. Autonomic energy means only 3 is there. It is there. See, here it is deficiency and railway. Only 3 sectors. The government under only 3 sectors is there. In other industries, it should be on the private industries. They can do deficiency, railway, autonomic energy. Autonomic railway, automatic. Now also only 3 is there. And remaining all will be privatization. Remaining all will be the private enterprises only. Okay. See here it is reduction of the number of industries for public sectors 17 to 8 in 2000. After that now present it is only 3. The government only maintain in only 3 deficiency, railway and automatic. And in this public sectors government will not give at any cost to the private sectors. Only the government only maintain here. Okay. And next it is the disinvestment of shares set public sector enterprises. Here it is the disinvestment of. So disinvestment means they will invest the money and they will leave in their organization. Example, China will invest and they will leave. Means who is the responsibility? The government is the responsibility. That time the government will run the business. The government, if they want to run the business, means the government will put the money there. If the government will put money, means the government get the more losses. That is the main reason the government will give the privatization facility in the country. Only if you want to do means you can do with own money, with own capital. The government we will not give. The government will tell like that. Okay, government will tell we will not give any money. If you want to do means you will invest and you will do the work and you will run the business. Like that the information, like that the permission will give to the in our country. That is privatization. After that privatization, the government get more profit also. How means here they will not invest. The government will not invest here. The government will not spend money. The government will not expenses here. Means even they will get more money also. If America will invest in India, means foreign investment if it is there, means even we will get more tax and even we will get employment opportunities and standard of living will increases. That is helpful for the country. That time the money, the capital will save our country. That money will use. Where they will use means here it is proper infrastructure and running the economy effectively. For the purpose of they will use the money here. Means that money where they will use proper infrastructure and running the economy effectively. Okay, understood? This one point is disinvestment of shares which should be selected for the public sector enterprises. Some companies will come and they will invest and they will leave. That time who will the responsibilities? The government will the responsibilities and the government will spend money for that. When spend means that time the government get more losses. That is the main reason the government take one decision. What's the decision means? Privatization. If the privatization means the ownership transferred to the public sector to the private sector. That time the private peoples will invest the money. The government will not invest the money. The government money will save. The government that money where they will spend means for the proper infrastructure and running the economy effectively. Okay, understood? And next is the policy regarding sick units to be some as that for the public sector. That is, here it is the policy regarding the sick units some as the public sector. Here it is sick unit. The government up to 1991, the government invest the more money on sick units, In every year they will invest the money on give permission to take decision effectively. The government only take the decision. The public sector will not take decision. That is the main reason. Here it is always they will invest more money, more capital they will invest here. But we will not get more money. Why? Is there is no proper guidance. There is no proper decision. That is the main reason that time it is 6 units. The profitability unit should be converted to 6 units. That time the government will plan. What's the plan means? It is establishing the one finance assistant. Establishing the one financial assistant. What does the financial assistant means? Here it is the government plan and the government will give the one solution for this 6 units. What is that means? Here they are establishing one address board for industries reconstruction. Board for reconstruction. It is BFIR. Means board for industrial reconstruction. This is the one financial assistant. This is the financial assistant for only 6 units. So here it is the Board of Industries Reconstruction. The Board of Industries Reconstruction, the financial assistant. It is the one type of the financial assistant. The government will plan. Why they are planning? Means it should be 6 units. It should be converted into the profitability unit. Means here it is they will give the more, and here it is they will give the more financial assistance for the 6 units. Why they will giving? Here it is the 6 units should be converted into the profitability unit. Why they are giving the financial assistance means it is the 6 units should be converted into the financial assistant. The financial assistant why they are giving means here it is 6 units converted into the profitability unit. The government will plan. Means it is Board for Industrial Reconstruction. It is BFIR. Okay. And BFIR, and this is the financial assistant which is L2 6 units converted to the profitability unit. Okay. And next it is Memorandum of Understanding. Memorandum of Understanding means already I told many times here. Means the government only here they will take decision. Here they will not give permission. Here they will not give freedom to take decision from public sector. That is the main reason here it is profitability unit should be converted to the 6 unit. Why means here it will give the slow decision making. They will give slow decision making means even production also slow. If it is production also slow means what will happen? Means they are getting the more losses. That is the main reason the government in 1991 the government policy will establish a frame. What is the policy? Means here it is Memorandum of Understanding. Understanding means here they will give the freedom to take the decision. Here they will give the freedom to take decision. Here they will give the freedom to take decision. Okay. When government will give the freedom to take the decision for government companies, that time freedom to take the decision. It is most important here. It is when they will give the freedom to take the decision making in public sectors means that time even public sector also will compute with the in market. Public sector also, private sector also, they have ability, they have capacity to participate in market with private sector. Before that is not like that. Government sector means they will not participate in market, but now when they will give the freedom to take decision, that time they will take decision effectively, and when they will take the effectively means even they will get the profit more. That time they have capacity to participate in market with public sector. Okay, they will give the capacity here. No. And here it is, and one more it is the board for the industrial construction, and one more it is there. Here it is board for financial reconstruction. One more financial assistant they are established for the purpose of changing the security into the profitability unit, and turning the security into the profitability unit. Here means board for the financial reconstruction. It means it is BFR. Otherwise, this means board for the financial reconstruction. It is established by the government for the purpose of to provide the financial assistance. Which is able to provide the financial assistance to the sick units, and even they will provide the guidelines. And how to convert into the sick unit to the profitability unit, and they will give the training. Even they will provide the financial assistance, they will provide the amount, even they will provide the knowledge about organization and how you have to improve. Everything they will provide here. If they don't have knowledge about the product means even they will tell this is the product, you can do it like this, you will get more profit. Like that they will explain here. Okay, and here it is the board of financial reconstruction, which is able to train the sick units employees. That even motivation, even they will provide the motivation, even they will give the influence the behavior also, and how you have to do the work. Everything explained here, board of the financial reconstruction. Okay, and this is the 4 policies. It is very important, my dear students. Listen here. It is maybe they will ask for 4 marks also. They will ask government policies towards public sector since 1991. If they will ask government policies means now to write these 4 policies. Okay. See, once again I am repeating here. Reduction in the number of industries for public sector from 17 to 8 and then to 3. Okay, 17 public sectors is there, after that reduced. 17 sectors the government reserved. After privatization, that should be reduced to the 17 to the 8 in within the 2000. Now it is only 3. What are the 3 here? First one it is deficiency, second one it is railway, third one it is atomic energy. These are all the 3 only. Now also they reserve. The government only undertaking that one. And under the government, the business, the enterprise will run now also. Okay, and here it is dismemberment of is the main reason the government will already do privatization. Privatization means already you know, means the government will not interfere there. The government will not interfere. Complete ownership given to the private people. Completely they will give whatever you want, you can do it, but you have to do with legally. Like that the government will announce. That time the government will get, when privatization happened, and after that the government will get more profit. Even they will save the money also. Always they will not invest it. They will not invest anywhere. That money will use, where they will use means here it is developing the infrastructure and running the entire economy. Okay. And the policy regarding sick unit to be some as that for the private sector. Private sector means here it is sick units to be a as that for the private sector. Means it should be the government will always, every year the government will invest on sick units for the purpose of to turn the sick units to the profitability units. But here will not happen. Why? Means even government get more losses here. Government will spend more money, more investment, more capital on sick units for the purpose of industries, means to turn into the sick units to the profitability unit. But here they will not get profit here. What happened means after that the government will establish the board for industrial reconstruction, board for industries and board for financial reconstruction. And after that, after establishing, the government will get confidence. What's the confidence means? The security should be converted to the profitability. How means the board of financial reconstruction will help the financial assistance for the sick units, and even they will give the guidelines. Even they will give the motivation. Even they will give the how we will gain the profit. Even they will give the product knowledge. They will give. Well, in this, if they will give means they will motivate, and they will securities should be converted to the profitability unit. That time the government will get the more income. Yes sir, yes, the government every year they are spending more money here. After establishing this financial assistance, the government will not spend more money here. Okay. And next one it is memorandum of understanding. Memorandum of understanding means here it is the government, it is signed between the government and government company. Government company. What is the agreement means? The government company means the government will not interfere on the decision making. The government will tell to the government company, we are not interfere in the decision making. You will take initially, you will take independently take decisions, you will run the business effectively. Like that they will take.